There are moments in life when you feel like you just don't have enough time to lose all the weight you like before summer, an important party, or a special date. One of the most effective diets in such cases is the oatmeal diet. Keep watching this OnSalus video to learn all about the oatmeal diet, the perfect way to lose 3 to 5 kilos in just 5 days. On the oatmeal diet, you will have oatmeal for breakfast and dinner every day and add oatmeal to your main meal. Lunch should consist of a portion of vegetables, a portion of fruit, and a portion of lean meat such as chicken. You can have water, skimmed milk, chicken stock, coffee, and tea. Greek yogurt is also allowed. Between each meal, you should have a snack. Once the diet is over, a person may regain some weight when they start eating other foods again. For this reason, we recommend maintaining a balanced, low-fat diet after ending the oatmeal diet. There are many ways to prepare oatmeal. If weight loss is your goal, use recipes that have fewer calories and allow the body to fully absorb the benefits of the oats. Here are some ideas for how to prepare oats during the diet. For breakfast, you can prepare the oatmeal by mixing 2 tablespoons of oats with a cup of water or skimmed milk. If you prefer not to chew the oats, you can puree and drink them. Another option is to cook the oatmeal, heating a cup of skimmed milk with 2 tablespoons of oatmeal until the mixture thickens. During lunch, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of oatmeal over your salad, meat, or broth. This option is ideal if you do not enjoy the taste of oats. You can also have a glass of water with a tablespoon of oatmeal after lunch. For dinner, you can prepare the oatmeal as you did for breakfast, or accompany your dinner with a glass of water with a tablespoon of oatmeal. That's it for today's OnSalus video. Give us a like if you found it useful and leave us a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos, and we'll see you next time.